Hi guys, ito yung aking breakfast and lunch. Ayan, may fish and side up egg. May gulay dyan, okra, talong, and then may fried pork. And avocado, cantaloupe. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Wala akong rice. Kain tayo guys. Ito yung aking breakfast and lunch. Hindi ako nagra-rice. So since hindi ako nagra-rice ng mga ilang days, ang gaan ng aking pakiramdam, lalo na yung tiyan ko, hindi na siya bloated. So, ayan, kain tayo. Kain. Yan, kompleto ako. May isda at saka okra. Side up egg. May talong and then fried pork leftover kagabi. Yung side up egg ko, wala siya kasi hindi ko siya nalalagyan. Masarap din pag mag-low carbs guys kasi magaan sa tiyan. Hindi ka bloated. Yung isda may kunting tinik. Paksiyo to na isda na may okra at saka talong.
No way. The gecko was just spotted down the street.
I've always wanted to meet him. It's just like those 24/7 emergency roadside service guys out of their jam.
Sounds like you got more than just seconds, my dudes.
So do we know you?
Oh, I'm just a stranger who loves friendly service and American football.
Something to drink?
Oh, yes, well, I'd say you love it. And a fruit beer with lots of hat. You know, you kind of look like someone.
Get more than just savings. Get more with Geico.
My cousin Daryl.
Oh, he does look like Daryl. From craft to carefree and
Sarap ng avocado. Kaning kuan sa Bisaya, kaning labuhon ba? Chalagat.
cuticles and chapped cheeks, hydrate lips,
Cantaloupe.
slug your face, or smooth on a highlight.
Tamis.
One dermatologist recommended brand for dry, cracked skin. Relief is never out of reach with our gentle, fragrance-free formulas. So when it comes to soothing skin for the whole family, there's Before and then there's Aquaphor.
I'm pleased to report that thanks to your hard work, we now have enough reserve energy to heat the greenhouses for the next 2 months. Special thanks to the workers of Section 23. Let us use this not as an excuse to regress, but as motivation to work harder. Our world may be covered.
Are you talking to your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Are you talking to your best friend? What's your...
Tamis ng cantaloupe. busog mas. Pag naka-low carb ka, iba yung busog, magaan pa rin sa tiyan. Unlike yung naka-rice ka, mabigat sa tiyan talaga. So kayo, ano ba yung mga lunch nyo and breakfast? Yun lang guys, ang bilis ng araw. September 2 is Tuesday. My God. Malapit ng Pasko. Char. Let's bite.